Hi, first graders.
Good morning, everybody. Today we're going to read this story called Plants and the Seasons by Margaret McNamara.
Plants and the seasons. Remember the table of contents of important things to think about as we're reading.
Here's some words that we will need to know for this story. Bud. This bud will become a flower. Dormant. Some plants become dormant or don't grow in the winter. Grow. The flower needs water to grow or get bigger.
Plants. Plants grow in many places. Seasons. Fall, winter, spring, and summer are the 4 seasons. Temperature. The temperature is cold when it snows.
Let's read these words all together. Bud. Dormant. Grow. Plants. Seasons. Temperature.
Good job, first graders. Introduction. Earth has 4 seasons, or times of the year. The seasons are fall, winter, spring, and summer. Some plants change in each season when the temperature changes. Plants also change because the amount of sunlight changes.
What season is this one? How about this season? Does anybody know what season we're in right now? You got it. Spring. And we just left winter. Thank goodness. Plants in fall. Plants change during fall because they have less sunlight. Some leaves change color in fall. Plants need sunlight to make their own food and to grow. Farmers grow crops or plants people use for food. Some crops are harvested or picked in fall. Other crops die in the fall. Here's a fun plant fact. Most pine trees stay green all year long. I bet you guys knew that one. Here are some fruits and vegetables that are harvested in the fall.
Miss Anderson, this picture reminds me of when I go to the pumpkin patch with my family.
Miss Field, I was thinking of the apple orchard when I go with my family, and then we make apple pie.
I love it.
It's so yummy.
Plants in winter. During winter, plants get the least amount of sunlight. The temperatures are coldest. Sometimes the ground is frozen and the roots of plants cannot get water. Many plants become dormant in winter. While a plant is dormant, it does not grow. Yes, Miss Anderson?
This is my favorite season, Miss Field.
Oh, it's my least favorite season.
The trees in this orchard, oh, that's a big word, Miss Field. What does orchard mean?
I don't know. Does it mean like a lot of trees around?
Maybe.
Just a big area of land?
I know where apples grow.
Oh, yeah.
They're
It's like an apple orchard.
dormant in the winter.
There's no leaves there. These are some other plants and fruits that you can see some berries growing on trees. This is a sunflower, and I know in the summertime, sunflowers are yellow.
Ooh, I see the author put some words down here. I wonder why they did that.
Maybe to tell us something. It says some plants will grow again in spring, and some plants will continue to grow in the winter.
Oh, I
Maybe
wonder
that's
if
why there's berries there.
berries keep growing in the winter. Plants in spring. Spring is warmer than winter. The warmer temperatures help plants grow. The ground can thaw or become softer, and plants can get water again. This season is when many plants grow buds. Some buds become leaves, but other buds become flowers.
Hey, look, it says compare and contrast. We've been learning about things that are different and the same.
Some words can help you understand how these things are alike and different. See if you you can find the word than in this story. Ooh, let's read this sentence again. Spring is warmer than winter. So are winter and spring the same, Miss Field?
Not really.
So are we contrasting or
Mhm.
comparing them?
We're contrasting, Miss Anderson.
They are different. This word is a clue that the author is comparing and contrasting spring and winter. The word but is also a clue that the author is comparing. What is the author comparing? Some buds become leaves, but other buds become flowers. So that's kind of different.
Interesting. Plants in summer. Now, Miss Anderson said her favorite season is winter, but I love summer. Temperatures are warmest in summer and plants get the most sunlight. The sunlight helps plants grow and bloom. Some plants grow more leaves and flowers in summer. Farmers harvest some crops such as corn. Fun fact, did you know that some plants have fruit in the summer? What's your favorite fruit from trees in the summertime?
I really like mangoes.
Good choice.
What's your favorite flower?
I really like sunflowers. They're so pretty and they grow so tall in the summertime.
Conclusion. Plants change in each season. Changes in temperature and the amount of sunlight affect the plants. In fall, we can harvest some crops and some leaves change. In the winter, some dormant plants. Remember, that means that they don't grow in the winter.
In the springtime, remember that there's some buds on the trees, but in the summertime is when most of the crops grow and more leaves and flowers grow.